So next is the separation of soluble solid substances from the liquid. So you are going to observe a jar which is containing a water which is mixed with the salty water, and you are observing a Bunsen burner. Here we are going to see the water which is been mixed with the salty water. Now which method I am going to use in order to separate salt and water? If I have to separate salt and water, means the one of the best method is evaporation. By this evaporation, I can easily separate the salt and water. So, I am going to boiling the salty water. After boiling 10 to 15 minutes, I can observe the water gets evaporated, whereas the salt will be remain in the beaker. This is about the evaporation method. This is about the evaporation method. The same method will be adopted to separate the salt even in the sea and ocean, children. So the next method is about the condensation. So what is this method? Means by collecting the vapors, again cooling back these vapors in order to get the water back. Is it? This method is called condensation. This method will applies for the rainwater. So suppose it rains heavily, small ponds and lakes gets filled, means due to the presence of sunlight, the water gets evaporated and form clouds. Is it, children? And again the clouds, whenever it will clash again two clouds and forms the rain. This is one of the method regarding the condensation method. And the next method is called distillation. This is called distillation. So the last is about the distillation method. So what is this distillation method? Means it's one of the method of obtaining dissolved soluble substances and the liquid in which it is dissolved. So you can observe the apparatus here. We have been taken the stand, burner, round bottom flask in which condenser is being fixed to it, and finally the beaker it is been introduced to it. So the water which is containing in the flask I am going to heat in the burner. Can you all observe, children? In which thermometer is also being fixed to it. So as soon as I am going to heat the water, means the water is been boiling and the vapors has been transferred into the condenser. So what's the condenser doing is, I am going to send the cool water inside. The collected vapors, again it condenses to form the water, and the water which is coming from the condenser is the distilled water. Can you observe this, children? In this method, the mixture will be heated in flask. The liquid in the flask will be evaporates and is collected in the other beaker with the help of condenser. The solid component will be left behind in the flask. The round bottom flask which you observed, no? After heating, the solid component will be remained in the round bottom flask. This is how we prepare the distilled water. Got it, children? This is the third method of the separating of insoluble liquids from the solid components.